Hey guys, Betty here with Carblessly Delicious, where you can find tasty inspiration on low carb and keto friendly recipes. This video is featuring lasagna, one of my favorite Italian dishes. Cheesy, meaty, and absolutely delicious. I'm going to show you a healthy substitute that I use to replace the pasta sheets, keeping our lasagna low carb and keto friendly. So let's get started. First, let's take a look at our ingredients. I'm doing a combination of ground beef and turkey, but you can choose one over the other instead of both and still achieve the same tasty results. For my ground beef, I'm using 80-20, which means 80% lean beef and 20% fat. You also need eggs, onions, green peppers, tomato sauce, grated Parmesan cheese, shredded Mozzarella cheese, and ricotta, and that's it. Very simple. We also need to spice up our lasagna with some seasoning and flavor, so let's head over and gather our herbs and spices for our meat sauce. You know, prep is essential. Having everything at your fingertips is key to navigating through each step when you're preparing your meals. We have our parsley, oregano, sea salt, basil leaves, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Start by cutting your green peppers and onions. You can cube yours as finely as you like. I prefer mine on the chunky side. Next, combine the ground beef and turkey into a skillet and cook. Scramble to small chunks as shown here. In a separate frying pan, saute your green peppers and onions until your onions become translucent and your green peppers become tender and soft. You don't want to bite into crunchy vegetables, oh no. Blend your onions and green peppers together with your meat, mix in your tomato sauce and seasoning. Now I'm going to prepare our ricotta. Adding egg to ricotta cheese helps to bind the cheese so it doesn't ooze out when you're cutting into your lasagna. I like to beat the egg first. I'm also going to mix parsley and oregano together and pour it into the ricotta with a pinch of sea salt and mix. Time to layer our lasagna. Coating the bottom of our dish with a layer of meat sauce. In order to keep our lasagna low carb and keto friendly, we need to replace the traditional pasta sheets with a healthy substitute, and the perfect substitute are these roasted chicken slices containing 0 carbs. We're going to cover the meat sauce with our next layer using the chicken slices. Overlap your slices to strengthen your layers. Have your local deli cut your slices to the thickness that simulates the thickness of pasta sheets. Spread a layer of shredded mozzarella cheese over the chicken slices. Top the cheese with another layer of meat sauce. Next, we're going to spread a layer of ricotta cheese over the meat sauce like this. Repeat another layer of chicken slices. Followed by another layer of our shredded mozzarella cheese and another layer of our ricotta cheese. And then a final layer of our meat sauce, which we're going to top with shredded mozzarella, ready to place into our preheated oven set at 375. And here you have it, the finished product. A sprinkle of parsley flakes on top, and how so lovely. Allow it to settle for 5 to 10 minutes before diving in, and enjoy. I want to take this opportunity to welcome our first-time viewers. I invite you to join the family as we journey together to healthier lifestyles. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload more videos like this. Peace and blessings to all of my returning family. I love and appreciate your continued support. Like, comment, and share to help promote this channel. Let me know in the comments below which state you're watching from. Remember, my lovely people, healthy lifestyles begin where? In our very own kitchens, as we explore alternative ingredients to keep our recipes low carb and healthy without compromising the delicious taste of our foods. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any health conditions or dietary restrictions so I can target meals around those specific needs. Thank you for watching. Check out some of my other recipes. New recipes are uploaded every week. Until next time, God bless you and goodbye.